Hi, I'm Jodi Harvey with Wallace Real Estate, and I'm excited to introduce to you, for the very first time on the market, 1946 River Sound Drive in Knoxville. Nestled in the heart of the prestigious River Sound community on the northern banks of Fort Loudon Lake, this custom-built, all-brick estate offers over 7,400 square feet of meticulously maintained living space. Thoughtfully designed and lovingly updated by its original owner, 1946 River Sound Drive features 6 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2 half baths, a fully finished walkout basement with a secondary living space, and conveys with a deeded boat slip, providing effortless access to lakeside living. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you're interested in booking a private showing of your own, please reach out to me directly. Welcome home.